Oh, hey, thank you for being here for another episode of Quick and Honest Reviews. Let's head out to the field and see what we got for today. What is up? Thank you for being here. In this video, I want to give a quick and honest review of the Holy Stone HS420 mini drone. The TLDR for this video is save your money, buy something else. Now, let's get into why I believe that that is the case. So here is the Holy Stone HS420 mini drone. It is a small quadcopter drone. It comes with a remote that you can hook your phone to, and it can stream the video to your phone. Your phone is the storage spot for the video when you record. It'll take pictures. It comes with 2 batteries, a charger, a couple extra props, and a tool to get the props off, and a little screwdriver to get the prop guards off. So the price that I paid for this, it was somewhere near Black Friday, and I think I paid $39 and some change for it. The normal price was $59 and some change. The last time I looked on Amazon, I could not find it. I couldn't even find a listing for it, so I don't know where it went, but you could do your own research and try to find it. So I've used this little drone for 30 minutes to an hour is all. And so this review is based on that. So let me give you the good, the bad, and the ugly about this little drone. The good is the video is actually pretty good. It's 1080p. It's a little bit shaky because there's no stabilization when you're flying it. But again, the video looks really good. It comes with a couple features on the remote that are pretty cool. You can do some tricks with a simple push of a button on here. You can do a 360 flip. You can do where it spins around in this action, and it'll do kind of a toilet bowl effect flying around. So the bad about this little drone is that I couldn't ever get it to stop drifting. It has a trim button on this remote that you're supposed to be able to trim it out so it'll stop and stay steady, but I couldn't get it to work. I am a new drone flyer, and so that could have been the problem, but this is a beginner drone. It's marketed toward beginners, but I felt like I needed a lot more skill to be able to use this and to be able to use the trim button on it. And so I couldn't get it to work correctly. So another thing is that I can't get it to stay in the air very much. Sometimes it'll only stay in the air for a couple seconds, and then it'll fall down and hover around the ground and try to act like an RC car. Sometimes it'll stay in the air for several minutes during the battery life. And so I'm a new drone flyer, and so that could be my just my fault, my experience with being able to fly these. But again, it's marketed as a beginner drone to learn the basics, and I didn't learn any basics off of it. So the ugly for this is that even though it comes with 2 batteries, that's a max total of 10 minutes of flight time per 2 batteries. So it's about 5 minutes of flight time per battery, and it takes approximately 40 to 60 minutes to charge each battery, and you only get 1 charger to charge the battery, so you can only charge 1 battery at a time. And you need to let them cool down after you fly it, because these batteries are pretty hot. They've been decharged really fast, and so they're pretty hot batteries. You have to let them cool down previous to charging them. And again, I'm going to list on the ugly section is that I just can't get it to fly correctly. Somebody with more skill or somebody with more patience may be able to get one to fly better, but for me, I couldn't do it. So what is next for this item? Should I store it? Should I trash it? Should I continue to try to use it? I'm going to say none of the above. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give this away. And here's how it's going to work. If you are subscribed to the channel, and if you comment on this video, I will put you in a drawing, and on January 10th, 2025, I will draw a name from the people who are subscribed and who have commented on this video, and I will send this drone to you free of charge. So yeah, that's my quick and honest review of the Holy Stone HS420. Again, I would save your money and get something else. But if you can get it given to you by somebody who puts out YouTube videos, that's a pretty good price. Hey, thank you for watching this quick and honest review. I hope that I've helped you to make an informed decision on the purchase of the Holy Stone HS420. Hey, thank you for being with me through this video today. Please like and subscribe for more reviews and content you can use. As always, go out and be a good person. Catch you in person.